All right, so we have the Three Amigos. It's our Monday, and where we going on Mondays?
Secure Cat and Petco.
And where else we gotta go? Take the books back to where?
The library.
And then we gotta go grocery shopping. So come on this journey with us as we start our Monday. Motivate Mondays. We have to stop at our favorite pit stop, QT, for the smoothie. And one by one they go. Don't bend the cup, JC. Pick your flavor. They got all flavors, y'all. All the good stuff. Yeah. Whole drink. And of course they wanted a hot dog. Watch out, don't make sure it don't fall. You gotta open the buns. And yeah. I'm trying the mac and cheese. I love me some good old mac and cheese. So let's see what it's like. It's cheesy. So it's not dry. So let's give it a try. Pretty good. Got a little flavor.
Ja, dat is wel cho sọt không? Ngoài ra còn gì không?
They also get vitamins just to help them their nutrients. Okay, so now I have to spray down all the glass. We had to disinfect, clean out all they eating in water bowls, and they live in quarters. So we did all that. They litter box, which is a lot of poop. So now the kids are just enjoying their time playing with three cats. We got three cats. We got Miss Callie. Get out of here. Mr. Frank. And Mr. Max, and we love us some Max, don't we, Celia? Max is our favorite. He been here the longest. Come on.
Sawyer!
You know because you had him wrong. Don't do that again. You okay, Max? So you want to be down. You don't want to be carried all the time, huh? Where you scratch you at?
When he tries to scratch, not for real.
Well, don't be scared. You can't hurt the cats now. I'm more scared than you, but I'm being gentle with them. The oldest son is over there. He did all the cleaning of the bowls and food. Aw, being good. Look at him. Hey, Miss Callie. Okay, so these are the babies. We got 3 months, Miss Callie, 3 months Max, and Frank is the oldest. He's 2 years old. So we are back home and it's lunchtime. And we are having, I have made some blueberries, some green shredded lettuce. I got some cheese, some Colby Jack cheese, and some good old Forest turkey ham. So, and some good ranch. I might do honey mustard. Okay, so here's the journal that I'm using for this year's school. And it comes with a protective cover. And it's very cute. Got stickers to make it fun and cute. And, you know, just a regular, got all that in there, but I'm going to give y'all a glimpse of how I do record their lessons. So here's like a review lesson. And the top part is for my two oldest, which are in the 5th and 6th grade. I do their lessons together because they basically doing the same thing. And so yeah. And for today, this is our today lesson. We had to go to Petco. We go every Monday to Petco to take care of the cats. That's our volunteer responsibility. And so yeah. It's it. And that's all I do is keep a journal, well, a planner. I used to keep a journal. I stopped beginning of last year, because I was like, it's pointless. I could just put everything I want in this planner, and I don't need to keep a summary because my kids, they write paragraphs and I know exactly. So, it was just like, I was like, I can cut that out. So that's it.